How to make $100 per day online, part 20. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 20th video in a row I'm uploading for you so you can figure out how to make $100 per day online. So guys, I really like this method because this is actually something that I'm passionate about and I do in my spare time. Before I'm going to show you what it is, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. These 4 things really help out my channel, so please do these 4 things right now. Also check out all the links in the description of this video. I have my free courses, my coaching, all of my tools that I'm using to make money online. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what we're going to be doing is selling photos. Okay, so you don't have to be a professional photographer. If you just have an eye for taking cool photos, you can even do this with your smartphone. Okay, so I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can sell your photos. Some of these are really passive, so you can just upload it and people will pay you each time they make a download. So it's very cool. And again, these photos will have to look cool and good and maybe a little bit creative, but the cool thing is that you don't even need a professional camera. You can do this all with your smartphone. So the first website I wanted to show you is Shutterstock.com. So you can go to submit.shutterstock.com. As you can see, you will share your work and start earning. So pretty self-explanatory. You create the high quality images, you submit it, you get paid, you make money every time your content is downloaded by one of their worldwide customers, and you can even refer new contributors and customers. So they have paid out over $1 billion, guys. And they have a global community. They even give you some easy to use tools to upload the photos, to resize them, etc. Okay, so very cool idea, again, especially if you're into photography, because this is something that can be a hobby like it is for me, and you can make some extra money on the side. Or even if you will be a dedicated photographer, you can make at least $100 per day online with this. Okay, so that's website number 1. Website number 2, I have stock.adobe.com. You can go to contributor.stock.adobe.com. Same exact thing, you can expand your creative career with stock. And just like with Shutterstock, they have all the tools to actually help you upload your photos, make them look better, and all you have to do is just click on join now. You're going to be earning 33% royalties when you sell images on Adobe Stock. So pretty cool, because you can make endless amounts of money this way. Number 3, I have Alamy.com. So this is one of these websites where people go to get free stock images or even paid stock images, vectors, videos, etc. Even 360-degree panoramic images. So you can go much more than images. If you can do videos, you can actually make much more money. So scroll all the way to the bottom and click on selling with Alamy, become a contributor. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna sell your work all around the world. You can join now and earn up to 50% of any sale. So what I didn't mention is that the bigger the resolution of your photo is, the more expensive it gets. So when you're gonna be taking photos, take them at a maximum resolution, okay? Because this is how you make the big money. Again, they are paying out over $1 million every month to their contributors, and you have all the information right here. So guys, very good website to work for. Number 4, I have photomoto.com. Very similar. Now the cool thing is that they have this for photographers module right here. You have all the information right here. You can sign up now or click on learn more, and as you can see, they have all this information right here. So another way you can cash in on your photos. And finally, I have cresttalk.com. We're gonna click on how to sell, and as you can see, we have all this information on how to sell images. So we have a full FAQ right here, but we will go to getting paid and how much royalty do I get when I sell an image. So as you can see, it really depends on the number of downloads. Up to 250, you're gonna get 20%. Up to 1,000, 25%, up to 5,000, 30%, up to 10,000, 35%, 10,000 plus 40%. And as you can see, for each one, you're going to get anywhere from 25 cents to 40 cents. So guys, obviously the more downloads, the more money you're making. And the cool thing is that, again, this is something that you can make endless amounts of money with. So pretty cool. And guys, that's it for today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment, check out all the links in the description, and watch all the rest of the videos in this YouTube video series. I hope that I'm opening your eyes to the possibilities out there. $100 per day online is just the starting point. You can make so much more. Okay, so hopefully I will see you in the next video. Ciao.